We're looking at a relationship for number 1 between what? What's the x-axis?
Race time.
Okay, the time of a race and what? Training time. We're looking at race time and training time. So the time it takes for them to train for the race. Okay, does this data show circle these words, linear, non-linear, or neither? Look at the graph. Is it a perfectly straight line? No. Is there a strong relationship? Are the points close together? Yes, so it's strong. So there is a relationship, so we wouldn't say it's neither because there is a relationship between race time and training time. So the correct answer would be non-linear, okay? Because it's not a perfectly straight line, but there is a relationship there. The points are very close together, which means there is a trend. What is the trend? Downward or upward? Negative, downward, okay? So if there is a relationship, we're going to draw, look here please, circle this, a curve of best fit. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to draw, because it looks like a curve, right? The points in that. Linear means that it's going to be a straight line. So write that down. Good. And non-linear means it's not a straight line. But there's still a relationship. There's still a connection in the data. So the curve of best fit. I'm not drawing a line of best fit because it's not linear. So look here. I'm taking my pen and I'm trying to draw a curve that kind of goes in between as many points as possible. I would not do this. Look here. I would not go like that. That curve that I just drew doesn't really represent the data. It's not close to the data. You want to draw a curve. I probably should have done this actually, closer here. That's as close to as many points as possible. Let me redo it. And goes through as many points as possible. And you're kind of trying to get an even number of points on each side of the line, okay? So I'm coming around to check everyone's curve of best fit to see if you drew it properly. If there's a relationship, which we said there is the relationship strong or weak?
Strong.
How do you know it's strong? Good. I want you to copy this down because the points are very close together, which means it's a very strong relationship.
Please excuse me.
At number 2, same thing for number 2. Looking at this, so for number 2, we're looking at this graph. You have to decide if the relationship is linear, non-linear, or neither. I'm going to draw a curve. Look here, please. Okay, this would be non-linear because it's not a straight line. I drew the curve. You're just trying to draw it in so that it passes through as many points as possible. And would you say, what type of relationship do you think this is?
Positive.
Yes, it's positive.
Is it strong?
Would you say it's strong or weak?
Strong.
It's strong
Wait, but if they're not close together.
because the relationship is increasing. The points are not scattered all over the place. They're forming a pattern. So it's a strong relationship, okay?